Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to understand division of a polynomial by another polynomial. For this, I have taken one example. Divide this polynomial by x minus 1. So I have written already divide this polynomial by x minus 1. Means this is divisor and this is dividend. Quotient and remainder we have to find. For this, let us see what is first step. First step is take first term of this dividend. First term is x raised to power 4 and this will be divided by first term of divisor, that is x. I repeat, first term of this divided by first term of divisor. Now x raised to power 4 divided by x is equal to x raised to power 3 and this quotient will be written here, x raised to power 3 always. Now next step, this was our first step. Now next step, this term which we have got here will be divided by first term and then it will be multiplied by first term and then it will be multiplied by second term. Now x cube multiplied by first term, x cube multiplied by first term, that is x. What we get? X raised to power 4. That will be written here. And please remember, like terms should be written together. Now x cube multiplied by minus 1. Orally we can see x cube into minus 1 is minus x cube. After this no term is there, so we can't write further. Then next step is to change the signs of these terms which are written here. This is positive, now negative. This is negative and now it will be positive, because what we have to do here, subtraction. That is why the signs of these terms are changed. Now we can see this is positive term and this is negative term. Cancelled. After this, plus x cube, total 2x cube. And these terms, rest of the terms will be written same with same signs. Then same procedure will be followed. Which procedure? Take first term, that is 2x cube divided by this first term, that is x. Now here x cube and here is only 1x, and after cancellation 2 x's will be left. Means what is quotient? We have got 2x square, and this quotient positive, I will write here with positive sign, 2x square. Now next step is 2x square will be multiplied by x, then will be multiplied by minus 1. 2x square into x. I repeat, 2x square into x. What we get? 2x cube. Then 2x square into minus 1 will be minus 2x square. And further no term is there, so here also no term. Now change the signs. For subtraction, change the signs. This is positive, now it will become negative. This is negative, now it will become positive. Now we can see plus 2x cube and negative 2x cube cancel. Here also minus 2x square plus 2x square cancel, because these are having opposite signs. What is left? These terms. So these terms as it is. After this, same procedure. First term, that is x, and from here also first term, that is x. What we get after cancellation? 1. So positive 1 will be written here. After that 1 into x, then 1 into minus 1. 1 into x is x, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now change the signs, minus, and this will become positive. Now plus x minus x cancel. Plus 1 is equal to 2. Now further division is not possible. Why? Because see, this is constant term, or we can say constant polynomial, and we know that degree of constant polynomial is 0. And now let us see what is degree of divisor, that is 1. Degree of this divisor is 1. Now remember the rule please, whenever degree of remainder degree of remainder is smaller than degree of divisor, then further division is not possible. Means this is our required remainder and this is our quotient, and you should always mention answer properly. Required quotient is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 1, and required remainder is equal to 2. I hope this question is clear to everyone. If any doubt is there or if you want to understand, you can always ask. Thank you so much.